Hey everyone, this is day 3 of the Adobe Photoshop Challenge, but of course we're not going to be over there. What I want to show you real quick is if you go ahead, email me your ASU right, and if you want to become part of the Adobe Photoshop, you don't have to take the class. I would like you to take the class, but if you don't have a moment to take the class, I have a nice little basic setup for you. Here is the Welcome to Photoshop page where I break down a number of different things for you on how to use Photoshop, where if you need to know, if you like to know about certain files or certain places where tools are at, this will help. This is going to be a little help out guide that I really break down a lot of stuff for you. Go ahead and email me, and if you have any questions about Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects, InDesign, or Illustrator, feel free to give me an email at CALEXAN, the number 7, at asu.edu. You guys have a great day, and we'll talk soon.